Vanakkam and hi to all the beautiful ladies and gentlemen. This video we're really going to show you about lightweight silk saree collections which are very unique, were never seen before colors and designs. So in this whole video I am really going to show you about the sarees and how you can pair it up with different blouses. You know, sometimes it's quite nice to think out of the box in terms of designs as well as styling tips. So that's what I'm really going to show you. So let's check out the collections. So this is a beautiful fusion of a traditional color with modern design. So you look at the color, it is deep maroon, but when you look at the design, it has this mandala design in zari and woven in mustard thread. So overall saree is a without border silk saree. So when you look at the design pattern, so for every alternate zari mandala motifs, it has this mustard thread zari motifs woven alternatively. And when you look at the pallu is antique zari honeycomb designed brocade pallu. So the overall look of the saree, it has this very subtle one single color, and only on the buttas it has this mustard. So for this kind of a saree, so I went with the kalamkari printed tussar blouse in mustard. So this elevates the look. So it is simple as well as it is very unique when you just drape it with such kind of blouses. So I know checks pattern is a traditional pattern, but what makes it more unique is the color combination and the design. So when you look at this saree, the whole body doesn't have a zari, and the combination of peach and grey is a very stunning combination. The whole saree has a combination of peach, shades of peach and shades of grey. And look at the pallu alone has this zari brocade grey pallu. So this kind of a saree, I went with a contrast color of grey with black so that the design will be very distinctive. And for this kind of a saree, when you wear such a light embroidered blouse in contrast color, it looks really elegant. So this is a very unique combination in terms of color as well as the design. So this kind of a saree will suit any complexion and anybody, whether you are a mom or you're working or it's like the first time trying to drape the saree, because it suits everybody. When you look at the pattern very closely, so this kind of a polka zari, it takes like 3 days to weave the entire zari in silver and gold. So this pattern comes along only on the shoulder and on the pleats. So the rest of the saree is plain. And then when you look at the pallu, it has this gold zari brocade pallu. So for this kind of a unique saree, I went with just a little out of the box blouse. So this is a peach net saree, and I gave a lining of this mehendi green. So somewhat the design of the blouse is matching up with the saree. So for this kind of a unique saree, you should also try with a different, just stepping outside the convention zone. So it will look really smart. So this whole saree, it is a tie and dye color panel saree. So you can also call it as a rainbow saree. So this is a combination of a bright yellow with bright pink and black, and each tied and dyed in a vertical manner. And the pallu alone has this a traditional temple zari pallu. So this kind of a saree, any kind of a blouse also look really nice. For this I went with a similar shade of a multicolor, but I went in a lighter hues. So I didn't go with the darker contrast colors. So with different patterns and blouses, so you can pair up with this saree that will really elevate the elegance. If you're a lover of everything simple, subtle and classy, then this is the saree for you. The color of the saree is a dual shaded short color. So this is a combination of beige and cream. So it has this typical without border lightweight Kanjivaram silk. So the overall design of the saree, when you look into it, it has this peach antique zari woven floral design, which is woven as square box boxes. So each box has this Meenakari woven floral designs, and you look at the pallu, it is this gold zari brocade pallu. This sari eludes elegance because it doesn't have any contrast colors. So for this kind of a sari, I went with a bit of a tinge of contrast antique blue with a similar type of antique zari Banaras blouse. So for these kind of saris, if you pair it up with a slightly contrast material, so the overall look of the sari will just eludes classiness. This is a gorgeous combination of parrot green with blue. So the overall sari, it has this beautiful Meenakari work woven all over the sari. This is a silver zari woven lightweight Kanjivaram silk, and the both sides of the border has a tinge of a greenish blue border in tissue, which is flanked on both sides. And look at the pallu. The pallu has this silver zari pallu woven with just diamond pattern. So for this kind of a sari, usually you would go with a contrast blue blouse or a blue brocade, but I just went with a similar shade of parrot green with silver zari Banaras brocade blouse. So even you can also wear with a similar blouse style, so I'm sure that it will really look amazing. This is a contemporary color with the contemporary design. So the color is a very unique shade of reddish violet, so it gives a maroon and a pink tinge of shade to it. But look at the the design of the sari. It has this multicolor circle woven in jute. So the pallu, it has this multicolor stripe, so it is a overall geometric pattern, but it doesn't look like it is like a big polka, because when you look at the sari, when you just wear it and when you team it up with the contrast blouse, it looks like the overall sari is woven with jute finish thread work. So for this sari, so I went with the somewhat similar kind of a thread polka blouse. So if you pair it up with such interesting blouses and these saris and all, you can just wear it anywhere. So this is a typical traditional pattern with checks and temple design. So when you look at the sari, it eludes a contrast gorgeous color palette. So it has this combination of magenta, pink, red, cream and with black. So black adds the beauty to this multicolor check sari. So this kind of sari is a typical Kalakshetra style of weaving where there's very less usage of zari. So only along the borders where it has two strips of zari borders in a contrast black Korvai woven border, but otherwise it has this temple Korvai woven border along the lower side of the border. But this overall sari doesn't have any zari, and it has this just typical temple silk thread pallu. Since it's a geometric pattern of checks, even I wanted to go with a similar kind of geometrical pattern as a blouse. So these kind of saris, the more you play with the blouses, the more fun it is to wear these kind of saris. So if you like our videos, kindly like and share our videos. So if you have any question, kindly post in the comment section. If you like our videos and like to be notified about it, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can shop all of our collections and the collection shown in the video from our website www.cleosilks.com, where we would be adding collections every day. We have a very safe and secure payment gateway. You can either pay through debit card, credit card, net banking and PayPal. So if you'd like to see more collections, you can also contact us through WhatsApp +91 99626 77777. Our sales staff would attend to you personally. So we do free shipping within India and we do ship worldwide. For orders above $400, we do free international shipping, and we have a hassle-free 10-day return policy. We are located in the prime locality at Alvapet, which is 5 minutes from T Nagar. We are working on all days from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. We have ample car parking space right in front of our store. We do same-day delivery within Chennai, and we offer complimentary sari fall and pico.